To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to the borrowing cost, and it is according to the provisions of IND AS 23. Now there's a question on the screen. Question kottidare. Z Company Limited on 1st May. So on 1st May, the Z Company Limited, Z Company ಅವರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇ ದಿನ ಒಂದು ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅ ಲೋನ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 25 lakh. So on 1st May they have taken a loan of rupees 25 lakh at 6% interest to fund the 50% of the qualifying asset. So whatever this amount 25 lakh they have taken, it is only to fund the 50% of the qualifying asset. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರೊಂದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರ ಒಂದು 50% ಅವರು ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 50% ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 25 lakhs. ಈಗ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. It was started on 30th June. Construction started on 30th June. Then it ended. Construction was concluded on 31st March. How many months? Calculate here. So June, July, June you leave it off. From July you start counting. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So total 9 months. Compute borrowing cost capitalized. So we need to calculate the borrowing cost. The loan was repaid on 1st March. So now see here, loan when we had taken the loan on 1st May. The loan was repaid. It was repaid on 31st March. So now for how many months the loan was taken? Start counting. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So total for 11 months only the loan was taken. 11 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now step number 1, calculation of interest on loan. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೋನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೋನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್? ದ ಲೋನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ 25 lakhs into rate of interest is 6% into, see this 6% is for per annum, means 12 months, but the loan was taken only for 11 months. So we will make it by 11 divided by 12. So 2,50,000 into 6% into 11 divided by 12 will be 25 lakh into 6% into 11 divided by 12 will be 1,37,500. This is the total interest, but we will not capitalize the complete borrowing cost. Instead we will only capitalize the borrowing cost till the construction was over. So 1,37,500 into how many months the asset was constructed? For 9 months. Asset was constructed for 9 months. So into 9 divided by, what was the total amount of loan obtained? How many months? 11 months. So 1,37,500 into 9 divided by 11 will be 1,12,500. So this 1,12,500 will be capitalized. ಈ 1,12,500 ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now the remaining amount, that is 1,37,500 minus 1,12,500 will give you a total of 25,000. So this 25,000 will go to SOPL, means statement of profit and loss account. It is not a capital borrowing cost. So borrowing cost is only this much. Clear? Now let us find out the reporting value of the asset. Next step is to find out the reporting value of the asset. Questionally reporting value of the asset na ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So reporting value of asset, the formula is cost of construction plus borrowing cost capitalized. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 25 lakh ಲೋನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 50%. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ 25 lakh ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ 50%. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 100%ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 100, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 50 lakh. So 50 lakh is the total construction cost of the asset. So construction cost is to 50 lakh plus borrowing cost capitalizes to 1,12,500. If you add both of this, you will get the reporting value. So 50 lakh plus 1,12,500 will be 51,12,500. This is the reporting value of the asset. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. If you have any doubts or queries while solving the problem, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.